Alright viewers, we're out in the garage. I came out here to sort some wrenches in preparation for being able to disassemble our engine over here. I'm trying to cut back on the glare for the lighting, but I'm sure there's not enough lighting in here right now. Coming in through that garage door is too bright. Confuses the camera. But I came out here to sort tools, and I wound up straightening stuff up over here in the junk corner. I want to rig a better lighting in here for videoing, but what I wanted to do was sort the wrenches today, and I want to cut a board to fit under that engine, just in case I drop a nut and bolt. I don't have to go fishing down in the cracks of them grate trying to find what I dropped. So it would behoove me to go ahead and put a board there. Probably won't get nothing done disassembling the engine today. But I've been busy as a little bee out here, straightening it up, picking up, and throwing away junk and trash. I'm going to go to Harbor Freight and get me a couple of more lights for in there working video at night. As I look around this garage, I can find tons of projects that I could be working on. The little green thing down in the corner is a wooden cabinet from an old train depot. Here, I'll point at it. This thing here. It's some kind of hardwood. It was a nice looking cabinet years ago. I think the ticket agent sold his tickets out of that thing. But I wound up straightening all this junk. Right now I'm just verifying that the lighting will work in here like it is now. You can roll the motor over here. I'm just trying to get a little more organized instead of having to spend half my video time looking for a wrench or a socket. I'll get all my tools laid out in preparation for what I want to do. That'll work pretty good. I'll never get this garage cleaned up, but it serves its purpose. To finish off today, I know she's cooking supper probably already in there, but let's see if we got time to cut my board. I know I got to lift the engine down to measure that thing, so here we go. Found out yesterday carrying this engine is a chore. Oh, I forgot that thing is greasy. Put your gloves on, Walter. As I set the engine down on the floor, if you listen carefully, you'll hear something clunking or falling around inside that engine. I heard something bounce inside the engine and something loose inside that sump dropped. It's definitely a loose piece in there. All right, what do we got? What do we got? What do we got? 28 by a little less than 18. This piece of old press board, shelf off a TV stand. 28, we need to saw it off. Make sure. Always measure twice. We better go with 26. Brought a hole saw with me. That other one was 18. This is 18 and 5/8. Doggone. I'm assuming this board is cut square. If it ain't, I'm doing a world of crap. We're going to saw that board right there. go find a skill saw. Let's do our thing. More sawdust on me than I did the ground. Alright, YouTubers, I got where I think the hole is on the center of my grill, right about there. Now this hole saw I got here, extremely dull, might not even work. Don't tell me we got a dead battery in the old drill. I think we got a dead battery. Guess I'm gonna go get the electric drill. Same church, different pew. Well, different drill bit, different drill. Same old dull drill bit. It would have took me a week to make that hole with that cordless drill. Need to get a new hole saw. Well, I didn't exactly get center, but it's close enough to put it on there. Right, I could pick the heavy thing up again. We definitely heard a piece of metal clunk in the middle of that engine. Yes, indeed, that fits up there better. Get rid of these knobs that are in the way. I thought they'd just pull off. we got them off now. Dang, break my neck. Now I can do my wrench sorting. That's going to have to be a separate video. We're going to sort some wrenches. One of my video viewers referred to it, and I had already thought of using that term. Taking this engine apart is giving it an autopsy since it's already dead. One thing for sure, it's got some kind of camshaftitis. Maybe it needs a pistorectomy. Maybe it needs a pistonotomy. Whatever it is, we're gonna line our tools up here just like in the surgery room. We're gonna get into this thing one way or the other. The board was a good idea. Still got a crack, stuff could fall in. But it's better than it was. Should have made that board an inch longer. Measured twice, still didn't get it right. Oh, I know what I meant to do while I had that motor out. We'll make it part of this video. I gotta lift it back out. All right, I measured the shaft. It looked like 3 1/8 inches. Slot key is 1/4 inch wide. And the shaft is eye by eyeball in it. Is right at 1 inch.